Hey there to my JAFRA sisters. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. I am Sheri Lester, and I am one of your new district directors just as of this month, guys. The Amber region is on fire. We pushed out not only one DD, but we pushed out 5 new DDs, guys. Amazing. So I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of encouragement and a push to follow your goals, follow your dreams. Don't give up. It's doable. If we can do it in the times of uncertainty that we're going through right now, we can do it at any time, guys. Just keep going. I want to give thank you to my team. My team is amazing. These ladies are on fire. They are jumping in with both feet. Oh my gosh. And we are practicing the business tactics that everybody knows, but we just don't always do them. And the number one thing, guys, is being consistent. Consistent with whatever it is you're doing. Make sure that you are doing it on a consistent basis. Even if it's just a little bit, do it over and over again, and you will see your business grow. Thank you so much to my team, Beauty Boss Nation, to my upline, Lisa Washington. Oh my gosh, to Jackie Geisinger, who is our Amber Region leader. Yes, thank you. And thank you to JAFRA, guys. JAFRA is an amazing company. Please, please, please share it with as many women as you can possible. So many women are out here looking for an opportunity like this one, guys. We are sitting on a gold mine. The perks, oh my God, the bonuses, everything that JAFRA gives us, they reward us, guys, for just doing the consistency, the VIP club, the $400 a month. Guys, it is time. It's our time to get on that stage, get in those red dresses, and take as many women with us as possible. So let's do it, and let's keep going, guys. And there's plenty of more time left before we go to conference and all of that. So I hope to see many of you ladies with us, joining us on stage in our red dress. All right, thank you guys so much. See you guys next time.